Say goodbye to range anxiety and limited charging options with these 10 portable EV charging stations that offer unmatched convenience, flexibility and performance. From long road trips to spontaneous adventures, they'll become your trusted companions. So let's dive into the world of revolutionary charging solutions and discover how these 10 gems can transform the way you charge your electric car. Fasten your seatbelts because Juice Booster Team is about to take your EV charging experience to the next level. This portable EV charger packs up punch with its impressive 22 kilowatt output, enabling you to charge your electric vehicle up to 10 times faster than a standard wall socket. No need to worry about the weather or rugged terrain, as Juice Booster 2 is waterproof, dustproof and shockproof, built to withstand the elements and even the weight of a car. Its intelligent adaptive system automatically adjusts the charging current to match the available power source, making it versatile for various charging scenarios. Use it with any domestic or industrial socket or connect it to a C-plug for camping sites and you're good to go. If you need a powerful and portable EV charger, you should check out the Kempower T-Series 600 charging station. This device has a sturdy and lightweight design that makes it easy to move around. It can deliver up to 40 kilowatts of power and charge 2 vehicles at the same time with 20 kilowatts. It also has LED lights and a 7-inch touchscreen that shows you the charging progress. You can use this charger with an EV standard such as CC, SGBT or Type 2. It is also waterproof and cloud connected for your convenience and safety. With the Kempower movable charger, you can say goodbye to static charging and embrace the freedom of movement. Are you tired of waiting in long queues at public charging stations, desperately hoping for an available spot? Say hello to ZipCharge, the game-changing portable EV chargers that guarantee and seamless charging for electric vehicles, commercial electric vehicles, electric trucks, buses and off-highway vehicles. Its impressive 4 kilowatt-hour capacity and 7.2 kilowatt charging capability ensure you have enough range for your daily driving needs. But that's not all. ZipCharge is taking charging to the next level by building a network of flexible charging cars. Imagine a world where multiple ZipCharge units come together, providing convenient and low-cost charging for every electric vehicle owner, with ZipCharge expected to launch this year. The future of charging is just around the corner for you. Are you an avid camper, outdoor worker or simply someone who values being prepared for emergencies? Meet the Alcatel P2001 Power Station, a portable powerhouse that can keep your appliances and devices running during your outdoor escapades or unexpected power outages, with a mighty 2001 hour capacity and a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. This beast can handle up to 4000 watts surge power, ensuring your high power devices are well taken care of. The Alcatel P2001 comes equipped with a plethora of output ports, including 4 AC outlets, 2 DC ports, 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports and even a car socket. Want to keep an eye on the battery level, input-output power and charging status? No problem. The built-in LCD screen has you covered when it comes to recharging the P2001. You have multiple options: solar panels, wall outlets or car outlets. Are you an avid camper and outdoor enthusiast, or someone who requires backup power during emergencies? Look no further than the Blue Yeti AC200P, a portable power station that can handle all your energy needs with ease. Sporting an impressive 2000 watt-hour life battery and a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter, this powerhouse can handle up to 4800 watts surge power, making it a reliable source of energy for high-power devices. With its 6 AC outlets, 1 DC port, 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port and a car socket, you can power various devices simultaneously, turning your camping trips or outdoor work into enjoyable experiences. Worried about tangled cords and limited charging options? Blue Yeti AC200 comes with wireless charging pads on top of the unit, allowing you to charge your devices cord-free. Recharge your AC200 from solar panels, wall outlets or car outlets and never worry about running out of power again. Looking for a no-nonsense portable EV charger that gets the job done efficiently and effectively? Say hello to Electron NEMA 1030 Level 2, the charging solution that delivers a charging speed up to 3 times faster than a standard wall socket. No more waiting around for hours to get your electric vehicle fully charged with its 16 amp output. This is the ideal charging companion for your J1772 connector-equipped EV. Worried about reaching your car from the charging station? The extra long cable ensures you have enough slack to comfortably access your vehicle. Stay informed about the charging process with the LED indicator that displays the charging status and any error code, and for added convenience, Lectron NEMA 1030 Level 2 comes with a hook nozzle holster, making it easy to store and mount the charger when not in use. Meet the Monster XS 2000 from All Powers, the ultimate portable power station for your electric vehicle. This amazing device can charge multiple gadgets at once and even boost Tesla's battery life. The S2000 has a high-performance battery that uses 3C high-rate lithium-ion cells, giving you more power in a compact size. With its 2000-watt AC output, you can plug in your electric vehicle and get an extra 7.5 miles of range in no time. The Monster X also has a fast recharge time and a durable design. In 1700-watt battery pack is encased in an aluminum alloy frame and covered by an ABS Plus Tech shell, making it easy to transport the handle. If you're looking for a reliable backup power station for your EV that also has a great quality, the Monster XS 2000 power station from All Powers is the perfect choice. Need a power station that can scale with your energy demand, providing enough juice for even the most power-hungry devices? Look no further than the EcoFlow Delta Pro, a modular power station that adapts to your needs. Starting with an impressive 2,600 watt-hour capacity, it can expand all the way up to a mind-boggling 25,200 watt-hour by adding extra battery pack. Whether you want to power up to 13 devices simultaneously or charge your electric car with its built-in EV charger delivering up to 2,400 watts. The Delta Pro has got your back, and with 6 AC outlets, 4 USB-C-A ports and 2 USB-C ports, a car socket and a 12-volt DC port, you can plug in virtually anything you need. Worried about keeping track of the power levels and charging status? The smart touchscreen ensures you're always in the know. As with many of these innovative products, you can recharge the Delta Pro from solar panels, wall outlets or car outlet, making it an excellent choice for sustainable energy enthusiasts. Technocrat is a portable power station that can charge not only your devices and appliances, but also your electric vehicle. Is the world's first power station with an integrated EV charger that can provide up to 20 kilometers of travel range. Technocrat is a large capacity of 2026 watt-hour and a high capacity of 3600 watts, making it suitable for home backup, outdoor camping and emergency situations. Additionally, it has an integrated AC charging connector that can directly plug into the EV's charging port without the need for a heavy adapter. This means that you can use it to charge your EV anywhere. This charging station can also be recharged by your EV's car charger, so you can use it as a backup power source for your other devices and appliances. Technocrat is compatible with most EV models such as Tesla, Nissan Leaf, Hyundai Kona and more. It is a great product for EV owners who want to have more flexibility and convenience in their travel and lifestyle. Looking for a reliable backup power source for your home or outdoor activities? EcoFlow Delta has got you covered. This solar generator features the mighty 1260 watt-hour capacity and an 1800 watt pure sine wave inverter, ensuring it can handle most of your essential appliances and devices with ease. But what makes EcoFlow Delta truly remarkable is its patented extreme technology, enabling it to recharge from 0% to 80%. In just 1 hour. Say goodbye to long charging times and hello to quick and efficient energy replenishment. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors or facing a power outage at home, EcoFlow Delta has multiple output ports including 6 AC outlets for USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports and a car socket have gotten you covered. As with other EcoFlow products, you can recharge the Delta using solar powers, wall outlets or car outlets, providing you with a plethora of charging options.